Okay, welcome back to stripping a Worcester Green Star down. Next thing we're going to do is remove the diverter motor, which is here. Can you see that? This entire section here. Now this is done obviously with the boiler drained down, and we're going to take this screw out and this screw out here. So get that one off. Get that one out. And then what we're going to do is unplug the motor, which is that one. And then we're going to, a little bit of a, now these are the same on most Worcesters. So get a screwdriver in, pull it forward, and you can see, you can buy this as a complete spare. You can see the amount of crap on both sides of the paddle. And that paddle moves up and down with this motor. And you can normally hear it making the noise once you power the boiler on, and you'll see this move up and down. And all that does is that closes a port at the top, which is in there, in that hole at the top, which should be up there. And then you can just see the bottom on there, and that's when the paddle moves down, it closes that port off. Now you can just change these rubbers because these pull off like that, and it comes in a kit, and that normally pulls off too, but I can't get it out at the minute. So the whole thing comes disassembled like that when you buy it, because these motors can go faulty, and these paddles certainly do, and they don't do the job properly. Okay, so that's a very simple way of changing the diverter, motor and paddle on most Worcester Green Stars. Apart from the newer ones, I think it's slightly different, but that generally fits nearly all of them. Cheap enough to buy, easy to change. Obviously always make sure it's drained down, otherwise you're going to get wet. So next video we're going to do is we're going to do the flow turbine sensor, which is in here, which is technically the flow switch where the cold goes in and senses it's running once the tap's open, and we're going to take that out and show you how that works. Cool, that will do.